go to one source of supplier for all our work handling needs, whether it's 0 point, whether it's the pneumatic 0 point or the actual systemised tables. We've got one source. I can ring Matt, we can discuss our needs on whatever machine, multi-pallet machines, tombstone machines, and we're basically dealing with one customer. He's good on price, and that's all really we need to stay competitive.
Can we just dig in, because there's lots of exciting stuff going on here. Really interested in knowing a little bit more about what we have here as well. So if you'd like to talk us through it, let's dive in.
Right, on this machine at the moment, we have the traditional Microloc table that we've been using at Universal Fabrications for over 20 years now. Obviously, we've been looking at ways of improving setup times, our short batch times and things like that. We realised that Matt was now doing the standard centre vices, the same as other products, and we've now invested in that product as well, so it brings something more to us, so we can still use the modular vices in the system table, but we can now also use the centre vices in the 0 point as well as. So we've sort of got best of both worlds, and we find it fits on the tables quite nicely. It's given us more options.
It's pretty smart.
Yeah.
What I like, you mentioned a word earlier, and I think this is really good, because we were talking about future-proofing as well. You've got some real nice plans coming through, because you've got to grow, you've got a lot of demand, and you've got some real nice contracts going on. But I liked you talking about the modularity, because it's how it all fits in and how different ones, you can do different things, like you can do bigger processes or smaller ones, for instance.
Yes, I mean, we use the same vise on the tombstone, multi-pallet machines that we've invested in. So we find we can take this off here, put it on our multi-pallet machines. We can just have a single set like was on here. We can remove this and we can still use the system table around this as well. So historically, the vices, the modular vices that went on the system table were quite hard and long-winded to set, but once you set them, they were very good for repeat high volume work. So we're finding that we've future-proofed the business, that we can do a one-off or we can do a 500 off, and we've got the flexibility of what we want to do. So it's offers us another part to the business, and it's just the way the business is gone. We've got to be able to react, and we've got to be able to react fast and meet our customer requirements, whatever they want us to do.
Yeah, so would you say that Microloc has actually helped you create this longevity?
Yeah. Historically, Matt has worked with Universal for over 20 years, and his father, with the system tables, and obviously Universal were heavily invested in that. And this is just another part of that. We also have the 0 point pneumatic for the bigger fixtures. So we've got the 3 different systems, and we've actually got them now interlocking. So we've got the hydraulic, and we've got adapter bases, so we can fit the new centre 0 point onto the pneumatic adapter plates as well, so we can mix and match whenever we want and how often we want. So we've got it's really give us a full sort of adaptive system. It's great. Yeah, we've had to obviously move on to the 0 point, the centralised, which has not been a big learning curve. They're skilled men, they know how to use it, and they took to it really well. So yeah, as a company moving forward, future proofing. And the fact that we can sort of take this off in minutes and put it on a different machine, different set, we tend to have, we might sometimes have 6 vices in a row and different sort of setups. And it's been really quick and easy. Everyone's really took to it. So it's been a great product for us as a company. If you've got to break a setup down to set something else and you lose the setup, the time, you don't get that back. Well, it's one Allen key, one undone bolt, we leave it set, we change the vice, we change the setup, and we've still got the original setup. We've lost no time, so we haven't got to pass that cost on to the customer, and it keeps us competitive, which is what really it's all about. And that's what the new system's given us.
Can't beat that when you get a really good supplier. And that's one thing you were talking about, actually, the service and support that you get. It's actually a game changer.
We've obviously gone into this, and we've had 1 or 2 teething problems, which I think Matt would say, but he's always been responsive. Any problems we have, I've actually spoke to him 7 o'clock at night. He's
you
been
can't
really
beat that, can you?
The service that we had off him has been really, really good.
Yeah.
We're really pleased with that.
Love it. And I love that you call them tombstones. That's just fantastic. So yeah, very proud of what you do, and it's a fantastic job. Thank you so much for your time.
All right, thank you.